Ever wondered how to make the perfect air fryer chicken breasts? Imagine a dish so simple yet so flavorful, with tender chicken breasts coated in garlic, sweet paprika, and herbs. Using an air fryer not only simplifies your cooking process but also offers a healthier alternative. The best part? It guarantees a crispy exterior with a juicy interior, making every bite a delight. Whether for a weekday dinner or a special occasion, this dish is sure to impress. Stay tuned to discover the step-by-step process of making this delicious and healthy meal. Scene script. First things first, gather all the necessary ingredients. Our star of the show is, of course, the chicken breasts. You'll need 4 boneless, skinless pieces, each weighing about 6 ounces. Then comes the olive oil, just 2 tablespoons. This will help our seasoning adhere to the chicken and give a nice crisp finish. Next in line is our blend of spices, starting with 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Why garlic powder and not fresh garlic, you ask? Well, it coats the chicken evenly and won't burn during cooking. Add in 2 teaspoons of sweet paprika for a hint of sweetness and a splash of color. To add some depth, we'll use 1 teaspoon of dried oregano. And of course, we can't forget the classics, salt and black pepper. Half a teaspoon of each should do the trick. These simple ingredients, when combined, create an explosion of flavor that's hard to resist. With all your ingredients ready, you're set to start cooking. Now, on to the preparation. It's straightforward and quick, so pay close attention. Our first step is to ensure our chicken breasts are as dry as possible. This is important because moisture is the enemy of a good sear. So grab a couple of paper towels and pat those chicken breasts dry. Next up, let's talk seasoning. This is where we can let our creativity shine. For our recipe today, we're using a blend of sweet paprika, garlic, and a mix of your favorite herbs. You can experiment with different spices to suit your palate. Combine these spices in a bowl, add a drizzle of olive oil, and mix it all together. Once that's done, it's time to coat our chicken breasts with this flavorful concoction. Make sure to cover every inch of the chicken. You want every bite to be bursting with flavor. While we let the chicken sit for a bit to absorb all those wonderful flavors, let's preheat our air fryer. This step is crucial to achieving that golden, crispy exterior we all love. Preheat your air fryer to around 375 degrees Fahrenheit. There you have it. In just a few steps, we've transformed simple chicken breasts into a flavor-packed main course. Remember, the key to a delicious meal is in the preparation. With your chicken breasts seasoned and your air fryer preheated, you're ready to start cooking. It's time to cook your seasoned chicken breasts to perfection. So, you've marinated your chicken breasts in a tantalizing blend of garlic, sweet paprika, and herbs, and now they're just begging to be cooked. And that's where our trusty air fryer comes in. The beauty of air frying is that it combines speed with healthfulness. And the results? Well, they're nothing short of sensational. Now let's get those chicken breasts in the air fryer basket. Make sure they're spread out evenly, and not overlapping. You want each piece to have its little space so it can cook evenly. Next, we're going to set the air fryer to a temperature of 375 degrees Fahrenheit. That's the sweet spot for these chicken breasts. It's hot enough to give them a crispy exterior, but gentle enough to ensure they stay juicy and tender inside. Now here's a tip. Halfway through the cooking time, which is about 12 minutes in total, you'll want to flip the chicken breasts. This ensures they cook evenly on both sides and get that desirable golden brown finish all over. Once your chicken has a crispy outside and is no longer pink inside, it's done. Remember, the juices should run clear. This is a foolproof sign that your chicken is cooked to perfection and ready to be served. Enjoy the succulent taste of these air-fried chicken breasts, a simple yet flavorful dish that's sure to impress. There you have it, perfectly cooked air fryer chicken breasts. We've journeyed from gathering the freshest ingredients to layering on the flavors with garlic, sweet paprika, and herbs. Then we saw how the air fryer transformed these humble ingredients into a mouth-watering, succulent dish. Remember, you can always play around with this recipe, adding your favorite spices or sauces. Enjoy your delicious, juicy, and crispy air fryer chicken breasts. Until next time, happy cooking.